Today we're making stuffed zucchini but without hollowing it. We have a dish in Lebanon called khiyariye made with yogurt and it's a quick alternative to stuffed zucchini. Today I decided to try it with tomatoes. It turned out really delicious. Start with 1.5 kilogram of zucchini. Cut it like this with medium thickness. In a pot, cook half a kilogram of ground meat. When it takes this color, add the garlic and the 7 spices. You can use any spice you usually add to the stuffed zucchini. Now add the zucchini to the meat. Mix it together and leave it on medium to high heat for 15 minutes. Add a little bit of olive oil if you want. Now cover it and while it cooks, you can mix it once or twice. Now the zucchini are almost cooked. Add the salt and the dried mint. We usually add dried mint to the stuffed zucchinis and tomatoes. It tastes so good. Rub it with your hands or with your fingers to taste so much better. It will taste stronger. Now add 4 to 5 tablespoons of tomato paste. It depends on how much you want it thick. Now add 6 to 8 cups of water at room temperature. The amount of water depends on how much you want it thick. Add it gradually until you reach the desired texture. Do not overcook the zucchini. They are fully cooked like this. I want the soup to be ready and thick and it's ready to be served. You only need to boil it a little bit until it's ready. Serve it with rice and vermicelli and you can cook white rice. Serve it directly when it's hot. It's very delicious and very easy to make. You can see how in just half an hour a whole dish is ready and it tastes amazing. Also in this way you can keep the zucchini pulp, you don't have to cook it in another dish. Try it and let me know your opinion. Of course you will like it inshallah. صحتين هنا.